I'm Rory Fitzpatrick, Vice President of Strategy for Ricoh North America. When we think about healthcare today, we often use the term consumerization of healthcare, the experience that the patient has interacting with that health system. I want my information to be in my control. I want that information to be accessible, but I also want that information to be secure. When you're dealing with patient information that has to be secure, there's no letting up on security and/or managing of information. How do we improve that experience for the patient? And how do we start to create operational impact in the organization so that not only can we provide better care, we can also create better organizations that can manage that information? So let's say, for example, you found out you've got something wrong and you go to your primary care doctor. He sends you to, let's say, an oncologist. Your information has to be faxed to that oncologist, if you can imagine that. You want to make sure that doctor has all that information because that's somebody's life. That's not just a document, that's not just a fax, it's not just an email. And to these providers, that's important. And for us, our passion is how do we help you get that information so that you can provide better care? One of the missions that we have at Ricoh today is really to be more of an innovator. We've really created an organization, a center for excellence, where we work with our customers, we bring in the right resources, we have subject matter experts that understand the systems you use, understand the technology you use, and we really innovate the solution that best fits you. And then how do we get your organization to adopt that? 80% of our personal healthcare information is stuck in some static form, whether that be email, whether that be text, whether it be a piece of paper. So what that really means is you're taking a business and you're converting it from being very document-centric into a data or digital-centric business. Ricoh's very, very passionate about information. We've always been about information. We allow you to focus on your patients and your organizations while we focus on helping you innovate solutions that'll meet the challenges, not only today, but in the future.